going on, ladies and gentlemen? I feel like I've been letting y'all down. I was going through my videos and I was like, yo, it's been a while since I made like a dinner recipe. I did quesadillas, not subjective, okay? Debatable. Yesterday, we are going to be making a chicken stuffing casserole. Yes, that's right. I seen it on Pinterest. Jerry made this recipe a few weeks ago where she got chicken breast, sliced it, and then did stuffing in the chicken breast. And then I got on Pinterest and I seen this Pinterest post about Dolly's stuffing chicken casserole. And I was like, you know what? We'll try it out. So what we're gonna need is chicken, which I've already got sliced and diced, ready to roll. I got my chicken breast here, and I have already sliced it up. So in with my chicken, I want to add some seasonings. So I'm gonna do some Parmesan ranch. Some of this Chicago seasoning. It's for steak, but it don't matter. Some Italian seasoning. Some pepper. All-purpose seasoning. That stuff. A little bit of that salt. And a little bit of crushed red pepper. I love crushed red pepper. Just like that. So I have a little bit of a cold I'm getting over. I'm gonna mix that all up. I slice them relatively thick. And then in with my chicken. So, in with this, I'm just gonna pour my vegetables on over. Just like that. I want to get those vegetables all around. Kind of almost like shepherd's pie, in a way. So, I'm going to do 1 can of condensed chicken. Dump that on in. I'm going to do a can of condensed mushroom, or cream of mushroom. I'm going to do 1 cup of chicken broth. Just like that. Beautiful. Kind of mix everything in together. This is stovetop stuffing mix chicken. So it said just follow the directions. So just follow the directions. So we're gonna do 1.5 cups of high quality H2O. 1 cup.
Oh my God. Mom, you go to
And a half. Put the heat on. And we're gonna grab 4 tablespoons of butter. Butter. Now I'm gonna double this recipe because I want to play it safe, just in case. I'm using a big casserole pan. So these breadcrumbs, I'm just gonna pour on into the butter water. The butter water. God, claws nipping at your nose. You're not stuck in my head, y'all. All right. So we have our concoction here, and I reckon I'm just gonna try my best to get it up there. They get a little sweet taste to it. I had to go get some more foil today, so I had it. I used it on my windows over the summertime because it was so stinking hot. Set that into your oven at 375 degrees for about an hour. Okay, the lashes. Let's look at this. That's the biggest thing. I wanted to look at that chicken. Make sure our chicken is done. Eat. Fill it with those veggies. With the chicken and the stuffing. Steaming. We gotta add a little bit of red chili flakes, because I like mine a little spicy. And then mix it up. Oh yeah, that's better. Yo, that's good. Very good. Very good. And it's a dish by itself, y'all. You don't really need any other sides to go with it. That's a good thing. Like a chicken pot pie almost. So y'all, with that, we're going to go enjoy this food. Thank y'all so much. Thank y'all so much for all the love, support y'all do. Y'all peer, y'all comment, like, and subscribe, and being part of the dinner table. It's a simple, easy dish. It's fast. Throw it in the oven. You can make it the night before and then throw it in the oven. The next day, and you're good to go. Can't get much simpler than that. About $10. I got all this food. Can't beat that. Can't beat that. You're not going to go get it somewhere else. So y'all, love ya, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.